In 2020, when voters in Hamilton County passed Issue 7, they trusted Metro to deliver service enhancements and improve regional infrastructure. In response, we created the Metro Transit Infrastructure Fund, MTIF for short. 4 years into the program, we're proud to show you our progress.
To date, we have awarded $349 million to projects across Hamilton County. That's a total of 131 different projects across 35 different jurisdictions. And these are all projects that we are extremely proud of because it's really helping everybody, regardless of their mode of transportation.
It's been great for our citizens to have these improvements.
We're talking about trails, we're talking about bump outs to shorten crosswalks, we're talking about helping us to pave our street and fix the potholes, all of those things.
Roads, sidewalks, safety, accessibility, all within reach of Metro routes.
Especially with a busy street, the sidewalks definitely do make me feel safer coming to work.
The MTIF program itself is a fantastic opportunity for communities to get funding. Small communities, counties do not have the ability to get a lot of federal funding for roadway type projects. I praise the voters of Hamilton County for voting this in. This is one of the best things they've ever done.
Here are 5 projects we believe show the impact of the MTIF program, bringing safer streets, walkable neighborhoods, and better access to transit, business, and everyday life. In Norwood, about $2.3 million went into making Montgomery Road safer and more walkable. This isn't just pavement, it's people's daily paths to work, school, and transit.
Building this kind of infrastructure brings businesses in. It lets people know that your community has vitality, that it has plans, and that it has future.
Woodlawn's project along Springfield Pike and Grinninger Way cost about $1.2 million. We added and replaced sidewalks, upgraded signals, improved bus shelters and pads. These routes serve people who live and work in Woodlawn. This ties transit to commerce and access to essential services.
That project gave us the ability to improve our walkability here in the village of Woodlawn for our residents and for those that are riding the Metro bus here into the village of Woodlawn.
I think it's exciting to invest in an infrastructure that allows accessibility and that really puts people first.
In Sharonville, we built a new shared use path along the US 42 corridor to enhance connectivity, support multimodal transportation, and provide direct access to existing bus stops. This strategic project not only links downtown Sharonville to its northern section, but it also includes a new dedicated pathway into Sharon Woods.
We removed an old parking lot and built a trail that now goes all the way into the Sharon Woods Visitor Center.
The path looks great, it's highly used, and it's a huge safety improvement to that corridor.
MTIF money was used to help extend the Wasson Way Trail. A dedicated signal was installed to help cyclists and pedestrians across Montgomery Road.
One of the things I think was really awesome about this project is that the city, when they installed the signal, they put signal timing on it that is immediate. So when a trail user approaches that intersection, you press that button, the signal turns. And that sends a message that trail users are a priority and makes the trail user experience more convenient and enjoyable.
The improvements along Joseph Road are making a huge impact. Students walking to Coleraine High School along Joseph Road now have a new sidewalk with signalized crosswalks to ensure a safer trip to school.
We were not financially invested in this project. We were emotionally connected to it from a safety standpoint for our students, and we appreciate that the resources were allocated to a project like this in our district, and we know there are other places in our district that will benefit from future projects.
And one of the most transformative projects is now underway, the Western Hills Viaduct replacement. Originally built in the 1930s, this vital bridge carries thousands of vehicles and several Metro routes every day. With $205 million from the Metro Transit Infrastructure Fund, the city of Cincinnati and Hamilton County have begun working together to replace it, ensuring reliable transit connections for decades to come. These are just a few of the many projects made possible by MTIF. Because transit infrastructure isn't just about buses, it's about people, safety, access, and opportunity.
We are grateful for the trust that voters have placed in the Metro Transit Infrastructure Fund and in us. We are proud to play a role in creating opportunity and growth in our region. We look forward to building on this success by listening, partnering, and delivering improvements that really make a difference in the lives of the people that we serve.